Hello viewers, I am Maithili. Today we are going to see 12 CBSE Maths Continuity and Differentiability. Exercise 5.3 question number 13. Let's see the question. Y is equal to cos inverse 2x by 1 plus x square where x lies between minus 1 and 1. Here we can't directly do cos inverse formula. We can't do differentiation because we know that cos x is minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. In the place of x, if I substitute this much big value, it will be difficult for us to solve it. For that reason, we are going to change the inverse to be a normal one. That is, if cos inverse with a cos inverse and cos get cancelled and the solution will be easy for you to differentiate. For that reason, we are going to substitute some value for x. Already we have seen in the trigonometric the substitution value, same thing we are going to use it here. In the place of x we need to substitute a different value, that is in the place of theta, if it is 1 plus x square, x can be of tan theta. Let x is equal to tan theta. As x is equal to tan theta, just substitute the value of in the place of x, substitute 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Now this is the formula for cos 2 theta. Sorry, sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta equal to 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. As I told before, if there is a cos only we can cancel, but in this place it is as cos inverse sin 2 theta. We can't cancel a sine and a cos inverse, so we want to change this to a cos theta. We have learnt in the smaller classes that in 10th standard that cos 90 minus theta equal to sin theta. A complementary angle formula. The same way we are going to substitute in the place of sin theta. We have 2 theta, so I am going to change it to be cos 90 minus theta. So y is equal to cos inverse cos 90, that is pi by 2 minus, here theta value is 2 theta. Now cos inverse and cos get cancelled. I can write y to be pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Now pi by 2 now minus 2 theta, theta value what we have given, we can't differentiate with what we have given. So we want to change the theta value. For that reason, bring tan to this side. If tan comes to this side, it becomes inverse. Remember that here this becomes an angle and this comes as an inverse is equal to theta. Now theta is nothing but tan inverse x. So y is equal to pi by 2 minus 2 tan inverse x. So now the value of the thing become very easy. So you can differentiate now. So dy by dx is equal to, here pi by 2 becomes 0 minus, this is a constant term. For a constant term the differentiation is 0. Minus 2 into 1 by 1 plus x square. So dy by dx is equal to 2 by minus 2 by 1 plus x square is your final differentiation answer. That's all with the sum. Thank you.